Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to study your notes step by step. First, let's talk about active recall. It's crucial to review your notes within 24 hours of writing them down. This initial pass helps solidify new information in your memory. Try to recall key concepts and summarize them in your own words before checking your notes. This simple yet powerful technique significantly boosts retention and understanding, making your study time much more effective. Next, it's time to organize and elaborate on your notes. Bring together information from all your sources into one coherent document. Visual tools, such as mind maps or flowcharts, can help you see the bigger picture and how different concepts interrelate. Don't hesitate to add your own examples or personal connections. These make abstract ideas more concrete and easier to remember. This step transforms raw data into meaningful knowledge. Now, let's move on to self-testing, a vital part of effective note study. Regularly quiz yourself using practice questions or flashcards to gauge your comprehension. A great technique is to explain concepts out loud, as if teaching someone else. This quickly reveals any areas where your understanding is weak. Concentrate your efforts on these challenging topics, perhaps spending an extra 15 minutes on them. Consistent self-assessment ensures you're truly learning. Finally, the last step is to review and refine your study process. Set up regular review sessions, maybe once a week, to keep the information fresh in your mind. As you gain new insights or find clearer explanations, update your notes to reflect this improved understanding. Take a moment to reflect on what study methods are working best for you, and don't be afraid to adjust your approach. Continuous refinement leads to lasting knowledge and better academic outcomes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.